Good morning, students. So welcome back. So last time we have studied the exterior angle property and we have solved the thing, discuss and write questions on it. Okay. Now we are going to study some more thing, discuss and write questions. Page number 118. So first one, what can you say about each of the interior opposite angles when the exterior angle is number 1 right angle, number 2 an obtuse angle, and number 3 an acute angle. Okay, so think, discuss and write. Page 118. So what can you say about each of the interior opposite angles when the exterior angle is, so number 1 a right angle, so when it is a right angle, definitely both the angles, they will be acute angle, that is first possibility, and second, both the angles will have equal measure, that is they will be having measure of 45 degree each. Okay, so we can say that. So when the angle is right angle, the interior opposite angles will be acute angles. That will be the first possibility. Okay. Second possibility, each interior opposite angle can have measure of 45 degrees. Okay, or can be of measure 45 degrees. We can have better statement, can be of measure (45 degree). Okay, so this is first case. Then second, an obtuse angle. Now when it is an obtuse angle, again there are two possibilities. Each of the interior opposite angle will be acute angle, and second possibility, one of the interior opposite angle will be obtuse and the second will be acute. I'll tell you, I'll explain. Okay, I'll explain all this, just we'll first take it down. First, each interior opposite angle will be acute angle, and second, one interior opposite angle may be obtuse and the other may be acute. Okay. Now third, it is an acute angle. Now if it is an acute angle, definitely both the interior angles are going to be acute only. Okay, so here we can say each interior opposite angle will be acute. Now I will explain. Now when it is right angle means measure is 90 degree. So one angle can be 30, other can be 60. 30 plus 60 is 90. So both are acute. Okay, or one angle can be 40, other can be 50. So both are acute. So that is what first case says. Second case, each interior opposite angle will be of 45 degree. So 45, 45 plus 90. No doubt, they are acute only. But this is special case. Because at that time it will be an isosceles triangle. Okay, so that's what it is. Isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, to be more specific. Then obtuse angle. Now obtuse angle, when I say each interior opposite angle will be acute. For example, if the measure is 120 degree, exterior angle is 120. So interior angle can be suppose 70 and 50. So both are acute. 60, 60. Both are of equal measure. Again it is isosceles. So they can be having equal measure also. Now that condition I have not taken into consideration here. But both can have equal measure. Okay. And second condition, one interior opposite angle may be obtuse and the other may be acute. For example, one may be 100 degree and the other may be 20 degree. So one is obtuse, other is acute. So that can also happen. Or one may be 110 and the other angle may be 10 degree. Can't say. Okay. So that also can happen. And third possible case, acute angle. So if it is acute angle, both are going to be acute angle. For example, if the exterior angle is 70, so both are going to be acute. 30, 40, 20, 50. Okay. So in that way. So you should know this. Okay. And I hope you will take down this. Okay. Now, second question. Can the exterior angle of a triangle be a straight angle? Do you know the measure of straight angle? Oh yes, exactly, 180 degree. Now, can it be 180 degree? Not at all, because sum of the measures of all the angles of a triangle is 180. And if measure of two angles is 180, going to be 180, how it can exist? Okay, so it cannot be. Okay, so the second question, can the exterior angle of a triangle be a straight angle? Answer is no. It cannot be straight angle. Okay, because measure of straight angle is 180 degree. Okay, and so it cannot be, the measure of exterior angle cannot be 180 degree. Right? Now next we are going for try these. So try these on page number 118 only. First question, an exterior angle of a triangle is of measure 70 degree and one of its interior angle is of measure 25 degree. So find the measure of the other interior opposite angle. So let us assume to be as x. Okay, so let the measure of first one I am solving. Let the measure of the other interior opposite angle be x degree. Okay, now we know that sum of interior opposite angles, the measure of sum of interior opposite angles is equal to the measure of its exterior angle property, right? So we can say here, therefore x degree plus 25 degree, that is equal to 70. What is the reason? Sum of interior angles is equivalent to exterior angle. Sum of measures of interior opposite angles is equal to its exterior angle. Okay, so therefore now I want to find x, so bring 25 to this side. That means, yes, there you are, transposing 25 degree to RHS. Transposing 25 degree to RHS. RHS means right hand side, right? So therefore x is equal to, so what is x? 10 minus 5, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. So what is the measure of x? 45 degrees. Okay, so don't take your degrees for x, you take it as x, and measure of angle be x. Okay, otherwise it will be confusing. So therefore the measure of interior angle is 45 degree. Okay, now we'll go for the third example. Now see, third from that, is something wrong in the diagram 6.112? I have drawn here this figure, and you have to comment, means you have to tell why it is wrong. Now if you see here, this is the exterior angle. What is the measure? Yes, 50 degree. And these are interior opposite angles. What is measure of each? 50 and 50. Oh my God. Means all these three angles are equal. Is it correct? Is it correct? No. Why? Because now only we have studied that sum of the measures of interior opposite angles is equal to its exterior angle, right? Exactly. Now is the sum equal? No, and so that is the wrong measure of exterior angle is given. Okay, so what is wrong here? The measure of exterior angle given here is wrong. Okay, so what is the question? Is something wrong in the diagram? Yes. What is that wrong? Measure of exterior angle is not equal to the sum of measures of interior angle. Okay, so here we can see, here the measure of exterior angle is not equal to the sum of measures of its interior opposite angles. Do you get it? And that is what the wrong thing is there. Now we should go for exercise 6.2. So exercise 6.2, question 1, number 1. Okay. Find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagram. So first one I am doing. So you can see here two interior opposite angles are given and we need to find the exterior angle. Okay. So we can say by the exterior angle property, we can directly mention that of a triangle we have, what we have, x is equal to 50 degree plus 70 degree. Okay, so therefore x is equal to 50 plus 70, 120. So therefore measure of x is, therefore value of x is 120 degree. Do you get it? That is, the measure of exterior angle is 120 degree. So this is first one. Now we can go for example number third. So example number third. So this is 30, this is 40, and this is the exterior angle. Okay. So again, by the property of, by the exterior angle property, by the exterior angle property of a triangle, we have, what we have, x is equal to 30 degree plus 40 degree. So therefore x is equal to 70 degree. Therefore value of x is 70 degree. Do you get it? Okay. Now let's move to fifth example. So this is fifth example. 30, 60 is given, and this is the exterior angle. What will be the measure? Yes, of course, 90 degree. You are master now. Okay, but you have to write the steps. I know you know the answers, but steps are important. So by the property of, or by the exterior angle property of a triangle, by the exterior angle property of a triangle, we have x is equal to 30 degree plus 60 degree. Okay, so that is, therefore x is equal to 90 degree. Therefore value of x is 90 degree. Okay, now let's go to question number 2. Now see question number 2. Find the value of the unknown interior angle x in the following figure. So example number 2 I am solving. You can see this is the exterior angle, this is 100. This is the interior angle which is to be determined, x, and this is 70. Now 70 plus something is equal to 110. How much? Yes, 110 minus 70, that is 40. Exactly. There you are. Okay. 70 plus 30, sorry, not 110, it is 100. So this is 100. So 70 plus 30 is equal to 100. So 100 minus 70 is 30. Yes, there you are. Okay. So again, by the property of exterior angle, or by the exterior angle property, by the exterior angle property of a triangle, what you can have, x plus 70 degree, that is equal to 100 degree. Okay, now I want to find the value of x, so I don't want this 70. So transposing, so when it comes to this side, yes, it is minus. So x is equal to 100 degree minus 70 degree. Transposing 70 degree to RHS. Okay, so 100 minus 70, yes, 30 degree. So therefore value of x is 30 degree. Do you get it? Okay. Now next example. Now see fourth example. Which is the exterior angle? Yes, 120 degree. So one angle is 60 degree. You have to find the other. So definitely what it is going to be? Oh yes, absolutely right. It is going to be 60 degree. See here, the cases we have studied, that only we are seeing here. When it is right angle, so last time it was right angle, so 30 and 60 we got acute angles, right? Now here, both the angles are equal. When it is 60-60, obtuse, exterior angle is obtuse. If its measure is 120, then both the angles, one of the interior angle is 60, then the other angle is going to be 60. Make the use of the technique. Okay, so here bar the exterior angle property of a triangle, we have what we have, x plus 60 degree, that is equal to 120 degree. So what you will do? Transposing 60 to RHS. So x is equal to 120 degree minus 60 degree. Transposing 60 degree to RHS. Okay. So therefore x is equal to 60 degree. Therefore value of x is 60 degree. Okay. Now next example, sixth example. Now see the sixth example. Which is the exterior angle? Yes, 75 degree. We have to find value of x. This is the triangle. So this is the exterior angle. And this is 35. So 35 plus something is equal to 75. What? Yes, 75 minus 35. That is 40 degree. Exactly. Right, there you are. So by the property of, or by the exterior angle triangle property, exterior angle property, by the exterior angle property of a triangle, we have what we have, x plus 35 degree, that is equal to 75 degree. Okay, so therefore x is equal to 75 degree minus 35 degree. What we did? Transposing 35 degree to RHS, right? So therefore x is equal to 40 degree. Therefore value of x is 40 degree. Do you get it? Okay. Now dear students, exercise related to this is completed. So your homework will be think, discuss and try this on page number 18, 118, question number 2. You will solve that as homework. And exercise 6.2, question 1 and 2, all the remaining examples you are going to do them as homework. Okay, now let's move further. So let's move further to the next part of the topic, that is angle sum property of a triangle. Now we know that triangle has 3 angles. What is the sum of measures of all the angles of a triangle? So there are certain activities. Now they are given 4 activities. Out of that I am going to show you 2. Okay, and 1 you can do at your home, or the remaining 2 you can do at your home. Okay, so first activity, what we are going to do, I have got a triangle like this. Okay, and now what I am going to do, I have made a triangle. Can you see? Okay, see this. Now what I am going to do, I am going to cut these angles. You know straight angle. Now only I have said. What is a straight angle? The angle whose measure is 180 degree. Okay, so we are going to form a straight angle from these angles. Okay, so for this I need to cut this. So I will cut them and I will paste it. Okay, so let me cut that. Okay, so you can see I have cut the angles of the triangle and I have pasted them here. Do you get it? Now this is a straight line, so straight angle. Okay, and so you can see that they form a straight angle. So measure of straight angle is always 180 degree. Okay. And secondly, can you see a semicircle? Yes, it is a semicircle. And measure of semicircle, angular measure of semicircle is also 180. Okay. Angular measure of circle is 360 degree. Semicircle is half of circle. So measure of semicircle is 180. So this is the confirmation. So if I combine all the three angles of the triangle and if I cut them like this, I get a semicircle. And measure of semicircle is 180. So from this I can confirm that measure of the angles of a triangle, sum of the measures of angles of a triangle is, yes, 180 degree. Okay. Now let's go for the next activity. We are studying angle sum property of a triangle. So again, this is another triangle I have drawn. Okay. Now I have colored the angles at the three vertices. And what I have done, I have drawn here altitude. Now you know altitude what it is. Line segment drawn from the vertex perpendicular to the opposite side is called as the altitude of the triangle, right? So I have got here altitude. Now what I am going to do, I am going to bring this edge or this vertex actually at this particular point where the altitude meets. Each angle I am going to fold it and bring it here, and let us see what happens. Okay. Now what I have done, I have painted the back side of the angles also, so that you will come to know. So first, suppose I fold it like this. Do you get it? So first angle I have brought it here. Okay. Now second, जादू है, right? हो गया, देखो सेमी सर्कल दिखने वाला है आपको फिर से, और इसको मैंने फोल्ड किया तो क्या हो गया, देखिए. Do you get it? Do you get it? Yes. So what it confirms, that sum of the measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. You can see the semicircle. Okay. And I have told measure of semicircle is 180. And so all the three angles, they meet at a point, and here it forms the protractor. Protractor. आप जैसा सोचेंगे वैसा आपको मिलेगा. So measure protractor is also like a semicircle. So its measure final 0 to 180. You see that protractor. So this is just like, looks like a protractor. So it is 180. So measure of the sum of measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. Now there are two more activities. You try them. Okay. You do this also. I know you will like this. Okay. Now one more activity is that cut three triangles like this. Okay. Cut three triangles like this and place them here in this way. And again you will get here 180. Okay. Actually it is similar to this only. See here. Three triangles placed together. Okay. You will get the same thing. Okay. Then, and the fourth activity, actually draw the triangle and measure their angles. Actually draw the triangle and measure the angle with the help of protractor and try to see the sum is 180 degree. Till you don't make mistake in taking the measures using the protractor, you will always get the sum to be 180 degree. My dear students, I believe that you understand this. Now logical proof for this. Okay. So what is the logical proof? Just like last time I have said, that is, we call it in 9th standard it as theorem. So statement, that is the total measure of the total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. So this can be asked. Now, so suppose this is the triangle. Okay. So here angle A, B and C. These are the three angles. This is triangle ABC and angle ACD. What type of angle it is? Yes, there you are. It is exterior angle. Suppose this is angle 1. This is angle 2. This is angle 3 and this is angle 4. Okay. Now, I have studied. What I have studied? Okay, first we will write given, because you have to go through the theorem properly. So given in triangle ABC, Angle ACD is the exterior angle. Okay, and measures of the angles are angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 respectively of the angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle ACB and angle ACD. Okay, now, so to prove, what we have to prove? We have to prove that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, that is equal to 180 degree. Okay, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now, so proof. As you know, by property of exterior angle of a triangle, by property of exterior angle of a triangle, what we can have? Can anyone tell? Yes, exactly. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to angle 4. Am I right? There you are. So this is number 1. What it is? This is exterior angle 4. So angle 1 plus angle 2. These are the remote interior opposite angles. So angle 1 plus angle 2 should be equal to angle 4. Right? Yes. Then what you do? We also know that angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. Why? Oh yes, absolutely right. Because they are in linear pair. I have told you, right? So, angle 3 plus angle 4, that is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so this is number 2. Why? Linear pair. What are they? Linear pair. Now what you do? Add angle 3 to statement 1. Okay, so what it will become? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, that is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. So what I did? Adding angle 3 to 1. Okay, so we have added angle 3 in statement 1. Now see here, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. But see the right hand side, angle 3 plus angle 4. But I know that angle 3 plus angle 4 is 180 degree. So therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, that is equal to 180 degree. From where I got? From step number 2. So what you got? What I need to prove? I got it? Yes. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, that sum is equivalent to 180. In short, what are these angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3? They are the angles of a triangle. So from this we can say that the sum of measures of angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. So hence the proof. Okay. So dear students, this is angle sum property of the triangle. So we will stop here. I hope you will take down this proof in your notebook. Okay. And so today's homework, try this second example and exercise 6.2, question 1 and 2 remaining examples. You will solve them as homework. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.